Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply cool effects to your videos on CapCut PC. So select your video, and I'm just going to change the format here, and then I'm going to just select effects, and I'm going to select video effects, and here are all the trending effects that you can add to your videos, like this doodle diary, frosted quality. There's also split screen one. You can also adjust the filters here and the speed of it. There's also this blue mosaic one, snow spots. There's a lot on the trending one, like this one, or the CD playback, magnifying glass one, which I quite like honestly, but it does make the quality weird when you kind of zoom it in. You can also adjust the size here, and you can move it around like so, and you can also change the color of the zoom. I think I'm going to add this filter in, but I'm going to put it here. So let's just move it the other way. Oops, sorry. Like here, and then kind of move it up just a little bit, so you can see the kill feed of it. But that's how you can add an effect to your videos basically on CapCut PC, cool effects. I think the zoom in, the screen magnifier is pretty good. I also like this one, which is the Insta magnifier. It's the same thing also here, but you can't change the color. It's just going to be this color. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!